Hi everyone, in this video I'll teach you about wise money transfer fees and rates. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open the Wise application. Once you've opened, you'll be seeing this screen. If you're not logged in or not yet registered, all you have to do is to register and log in. Once you've logged in, you will see this same screen as for what I have right now, and I'll show you an example of transferring money. Let's say we're going to be sending money. Let's go ahead and tap send. As you can see, when you tap on it, it will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, you can either transfer internationally if you have different currency of the receiver. But if you have the same currency, all you have to do is to tap on the same currency. For this video, I'll just use the international. And as you can see, when you transfer money, there is a fee, and it will all depend on the exchange rate as well. Just like this one, from US dollars to Philippine peso. Let's say I'll be sending this only 100, and once you've typed in the amount, you will see the breakdown of the transfer. From US dollars, there is a bank account fee for the connected bank account, but if you have no money in your Wise account, you won't have that fee. And next to it is the fee of the Wise app. It is 1.76 US dollars. And by the way, the fee will depend on the currency in which you will send and to be sent to. So from the sender and to the receiver. But for this example, 1.76 US dollars is the fee of the transfer. And as you can see, you will also be able to see the total fees added up if you have the connected bank account fee, or if you don't, you will only see the Wise's fee. And right below that, you will see the amount that will be converted, or the total left when the fee has been deducted. As you can see on here, it is only $98.11. That is the amount of the receiver will receive. And right next to it is the exchange rate. As you can see, every 14 hours it is updated to when you're transferring. So whether it went up or down, it is always updated here. And right next to that, you will also see how much the receiver will get in their currency. As you can see, $100 is equal to 5,354.73 with the total fees deducted. But let's say you want to transfer the exact amount to them. As for they need that exact amount, you will also have that option if you tap in the recipient gets box and enter the exact amount you'd like them to receive. Let's say I want them to receive 5,500 Philippine peso. And as you can see, it will be on vice versa. You will see the exact amount that you need or will be deducted from your account for them to be able to get the exact amount. Again, it is showed, the fees are showed right there, and how much is the fee and the total amount that will be converted when the fees had been deducted. As you can see, I need to transfer $102.67 for them to receive 5,500 Philippine peso. And Once done, all you have to do is to tap on continue. And when you tap on continue, you will be asked to type in the name, email, or phone of the receiver. And once you've typed it in, you will be asked on which way you want the transfer to be made. If it's from your bank account to them, or to their, if it's from your bank account to their Wise app, there is a different fee for that as well. And if you want them to receive the exact minute that you send it to them, they also have that option. But it will have higher fee, as for it will be processed faster for them to be able to receive the money you've sent. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.